Sorry, have you got a price for this year?
For all that?
Yeah.
Including the horse?
Not the horse.
Not the horse.
No. Alright, we got morning garage sale, so we'll go see what we can find today. I'll take you on the trip with us. I only just seen this, it started at 7, it's 6:30. I woke up a bit late and people have already just been driving away.
Feel free to buy a drink, $2.
Hey bud. You got any other Pokemon gear?
I did. Somebody came and took it already. Mostly.
What about all your mesh butcher stuff?
Probably like $20 a glove, 50 for an apron.
And steel?
Maybe like 80.
Okay. Talk. Oh, I thought you were my son for a sec. I was going to talk to you. What did you want for him? You got 2, 4, 6. Yeah, I can sneeze. And what about those? Yeah, I'll take them all for 20, and I'll take all the shoes for 10. Do 20 on all the shoes?
Okay.
Yep. I'm just gonna frickin'. I should go get a box out of the van, mate. All the books. How much were your books? What did you want for books?
Pretty much like 20 for $10.
Okay.
Buy them all for 100.
Yeah. Too much work.
Of course, if it's a small book, it'll probably go cheaper.
Yep. Alright. Make a pile.
I wish I had like 100 more boxes.
Yeah, I think I've got one in the van. Have you got anything inside for sale? Any furniture or anything like that? No old watches? No. Why didn't you do that? Remember these? So so it's $10 on the fridge. We're at
$60 all of it.
Alright, that's fine.
Enjoy your bouncy Dr. Seuss books. They're the
Do you want
best.
40 for all that?
The metal?
Yeah, and the
I could probably
steel?
do one whole set for like a one glove, one mesh, and steel for it.
Yeah. Alright. I'll just go and grab the car. So obviously we're a bit slow on this one, and that's the name of the game. He said he had people here last night, but also you saw the pile that we missed out on this morning. You just got to be quick, guys. If you're not first in, you're not going to make as much money as everyone else. On to the next one. Old household people. Auction. Go knock. Yeah, as well. How are you guys?
How you going, mate?
Good.
You for the garage sale, yeah?
Yeah. Are you going to be selling the car?
Yeah.
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 Have you got a price in mind for that?
Not at the moment, no. Haven't thought about it yet.
Yeah. I said to my son, it doesn't look like it's been driven for a while. There's spider webs around the wheels. Yep.
Are you interested in the car?
Potentially, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Sort of look at a price for it and that.
Yeah.
You can give us a moment.
Yeah, no stress. No worries.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just got to set up.
That's fine.
Sort of
No worries.
thing.
Cool.
Alright.
Have a quick look and then...
We haven't set up
Okay,
yet. We've got to
okay.
put everything out. So
Yep.
it's going to take a little bit of time. That's why we said 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just thought we'd
So
have it
nothing's
go.
set up.
Yep.
Nothing's set up. Give you a yell when we're set up.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why we put 9 o'clock.
Alright.
For,
No worries.
Alright, thanks.
Oh, careful.
He's too big. Yep. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. Yep. All of this. Grab that. Grab that.
Oh, it's going, I think.
Yeah. Yep. You alright?
Yeah, that's the upper one.
Yep. Hey, buddy. Yep. Oh, I didn't look, mate.
Nah, that's all right. It's good storage.
Oh, that's gone, mate. Yeah, sorry, that's all gone.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that's alright. Yeah.
Say 30 for the lot.
How much was the vice there?
200.
Okay. And what about these?
$2 each.
Okay. Would you do 20 for the box, the little thing?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
$5 each. Hello, how are you?
How much was your wooden thing here?
$10.
10, thank you.
There's a metal thing over there. You do scrap, Scrimson?
Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
I haven't seen that.
Yeah.
One more plastic seats.
Another one. No. Oh, I think Alex was looking for these, but sorry, mate. You
You're
right?
right, you're right.
All right.
All that.
It's worth waiting. Sorry, have you got a price for this year?
For all that,
Yep.
including the horse?
Not the horse.
Not
no.
the horse.
No.
The typewriter and the Corning ware as
Yep.
well.
Yep.
$4.50 for the lot. I'm not charging that.
What's the most expensive thing that you've?
Well, they're 50 each. They're antique drawers,
Okay.
and they sell for 3 times as much as that.
Would you do 200 for everything?
No. Go 350.
Would you do 300 for what's here? And I'll load this up and come back and.
350. There's a fair bit there. I've got lots of people coming to get
Yeah.
them on its own.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's all right.
And
Oh.
if I find any other, like we've got more inside.
Okay, yeah, I understand. I'll load this up and I'll come back and talk to you when it's a bit
Yeah,
quieter.
yeah.
That's
Thank
all
you.
right. How awesome is that? So we got here over an hour early and that was worth it. We had to obviously work as a team, and that's the difference when you have a couple of people with you. You're able to get more stuff. If my son wasn't here, we wouldn't have got all that. But some of those Apple computers will be, well, just the Amiga's $300 by itself, so that one keyboard will pay for all of that. Good money for a morning garage sale.